You've probably seen ads claiming you can make hundreds or even thousands a month with Inboxdollars. But how much can you actually earn? Let's be real. Most people make between $3 and $10 a week, depending on how active they are and how many surveys match their profile. Some power users say they hit $50 to $100 a month, but that means spending a lot of time clicking, watching, and filling out surveys every single day. The app pays in points, which convert to cash slowly, like 1 cent per point. Surveys usually give you 50 to 200 points, so you're earning just pennies at a time. But here's the good news. Unlike fake apps, Inboxdollars actually pays out via PayPal or check once you hit $30. So, is it worth it? If you treat it like a fun side gig during downtime, yes. But if you're chasing fast money or quitting your job over it, not even close. Let me know how much you've made with Inboxdollars. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.